without wireless thing. Ayan.
Hi guys! Kamusta naman? Ayan, first question ko lang for Julia and Emilio. Kamusta yung working relationship niyo for this film na alam naman ng lahat na you're close friends na?
They started, you started muna sa Once Upon a Time, remember?
Actually, nung time na to, ginagawa namin at the same time. So,
okay.
alternate,
Simon.
MWF taping ata, tapos TTHS, we were doing the movie. So at the same time, parang, we would see each other every day. Parehas lang, parang we were just, like what I said before, parang we just, it feels like, parang naglalaro lang kami, parang we're just having fun. Yun, that's the best way to describe it.
So the working relationship mas okay kasi you work together, you work every day halos.
Yes, parang because of that we became more comfortable with each other.
Comfortable. Jewel, please.
Yun, yung sinabi ni Inigo, parang it's such a nice foundation yung friendship namin to be able to create chemistry on screen. So, nakatulong talaga yung closeness namin.
Nice. And with James and Nadine, how is this one different from your previous films, yung Diary and Talk Back?
Well, ito pong para sa Hopeless Romantic. It's not, kasi Diary ng Pangit and yung Talk Back is medyo rom-com, no, actually rom-com kasi siya. Ito kasi mas more on drama, kilig and drama.
It's parang more on reality.
Yes, tsaka mas realistic siya kasi according to Marcelo, yung characters namin dito ni James, yung nag-uusap sa armchair, meron daw talagang gano'n. So ito parang based on a true story to.
Oh. James?
For me, the big difference for me is the character I play because so far I played
Alam naman yung may difference, tinanong pa niya. Okay, go ahead, James.
In this one, it's completely opposite what I've done in the past. So.
For ano lang, sa inyong dalawa lang, and for sa inyong six na, ano yung mas mahaba?
Sa inyong what? Sa kanilang anim?
Six, sa kanilang six. Anong mas mahaba? Yung Forevermore o yung Infinity Plus One?
Gano'n mahaba yung Forever Plus
Forever o Infinity Plus One?
Infinity Plus
Yung Infinity kasi may plus
Uy, wala akong alam ano yun. Share ko naman ano yun. As a trailer.
It's a dialogue.
Go ahead, Beth.
Yun nga po. Ewan ko. May plus one.
In your own opinion lang, sa tingin mo.
Parehas lang naman yata yun siguro.
Yun ay mas mahaba.
Sige, pilit. Jaime.
Forevermore and Infinity is the same thing, so I guess Infinity plus one beats Forevermore.
May more eh. I don't know. I was gonna say, pero may more.
I'll change na lang the question for...
Sana kanina pa chin eh. Okay, go, Mare.
For Shy and AJ, kamusta yung parang, this is parang level up na nagawa niyo from other projects?
Love team ba sila sa dito? Are you guys parang...
Actually, no. Ngayon lang kami nagka-partner sa isang project. Ano rin yung question?
Parang paano ito na, paano ang level up ng career niyo for this film?
Siguro in terms of acting, saka characterization, kasi different siya sa series, di ba, na kailangan talagang buuin mo, ipakita mo yung character mo sa movies. And, saka sa'yo, sa akin pala, parang kailangan ko rin improve sa sarili ko na dapat maka-level up ako sa acting, mapakita ko yung difference ng character dito. And syempre sa mga susunod na projects din.
Yun, yung And parang sa lahat ng movies na ginawa, parang ito yung first na substantial role ko.
Ano yung mga nagawa mo na siya?
Ay, hindi. Parang sister ni Anne sa Secret Affair, When the Love Is Gone, yung mga ganun, friend.
With JD, meron na?
JD,
wala.
Workshops. Si Nadine sa Foster.
Okay. And AJ, have you worked together with JD before?
Yes, sa Diary ng Pangit.
You were...
Yeah, and Talk Back When You're Dead. And sa ano rin, sa Viva, nung Accelerate ako, and popular siya. Lagi kami magkasama.
Congrats, guys.
Ayan. Oh, girl, lambot. Ayan, next question, please. Ayan, go ahead, please.
For
Your
direct,
name para ma-address kanila.
Florencio
First
from
name.
Manual to Life.
Florencio.
Florencio. Ang question ko is, kano ba kahirap in terms of, since this is a book adaptation, tapos syempre maraming nag-expect, maraming magko-compare, how do you, paano yung attacking nyo po as a director to please yung mga nakabasa na ng libro at para sa mga taong hindi pa nakakabasa ng yung libro.
Oo, direct. Ako curious ako kasi marami na rin ako napanood na from a book translated into a cinema, a film. Do you, may conscious effort ba as style mo as a director kung paano mo siya ipuput into film?
Of course, mayroong